Why? No.
It's my job, Sarkis. I have to record.
Okay, not me. I don't want you to record anymore.
Okay.
He's pissed now. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I can't record Sarkis anymore.
Mm.
Moses talk.
Twix. If this doesn't make Sarkis is a little bit angry right now. He has his own reasons why. But if he doesn't take a half a Twix from me, then that means he's really pissed. He's not. He doesn't want it. So that means I get to eat it.
How's your day, Sarkis?
Stop. Tired.
Why? What happened today?
Vic pissed me off today.
Did he?
Yeah.
So you're mad at him right now?
Yeah. My car looks nice.
Alright guys, we're standing in front of this beautiful yellow Aventador Roadster. This customer actually lives in New York. He's very well known in the car scene. Cash Costas is his Instagram. He bought this car locally actually, all the way in the West Coast. He sent it straight to us so we could do a bunch of modifications to it. He's been following us for a while, loves the work we do, says our work is very different than, you know, the work that's done in New York. We're gonna go ahead and transform this car. It's gonna take maybe 2-3 weeks. We have some crazy wheels on order, custom wheels. We have a lot more to go on this car. So stay tuned. In the next couple episodes, you're gonna see a lot more of this car.
We want to move all the cars from the other side over here. Look, we have a Audi, Bentley, Mercedes, Lamborghini.
That's a secure box right there.
Yeah.
Nice and taped up.
Yeah. See you later, Otto.
This used to be a thing. Burbank High School used to be this. There should be their sign.
The Bulldogs?
Yeah.
How do you know?
I should go to Burbank High School.
What year did you graduate?
None.
You didn't graduate?
Not
No.
non, nan.
I didn't graduate.
What year did you graduate? Nan.
I went to the Glendale High and I still didn't graduate.
That guy could smoke you right now if he wants to.
Yeah, he will smoke your car too. Why are you being surprised? If he can't smoke my, imagine if there's any car will smoke my car will smoke your car too.
My car smokes your car though.
Original no. Tuned, yes.
My car's not. I'm not talking about. No, I'm talking about my car.
Yeah, yours tuned.
My car, your car.
1,000 horsepower, no? 900?
No.
You have a lot of skills, Luigi. You're good.
For the excuses, yeah.
You're good.
Yeah.
I gotta admit, you're good.
Why?
Because you can fix a lot of difficult jobs. I mean, it's good.
You think so?
Yeah. You get an A+ for this one.
A plus?
Yeah.
Hey, remember when I go into school? I never take an A's.
You never had A's?
No.
Or only D's and F's?
Or F.
More F's.
Crazy, yeah.
You're not a man, that's what you have to do with your hands. You don't have a power.
Okay.
Hey, that's too much. Hey, I can feel the thing.
There's no way it's a little BB.
Bro, that's a metal BB. Hey, hey. Hey, where's the bitch?
He's hiding like crazy.
Oh, you laugh.
He's very scared. I need to get Moses really bad with this.
That's fine, Moses. Most height is coming. He's coming height. Where is he?
I don't know. You're telling me his place.
Get the torch! Get the torch!
Most go inside.
Huh? Where is he?
That's not you, huh?
Yeah, that's fine.
I don't know if we were actually at work or like, it was like a playground over there.
Alright guys, behind me is this brand new Denali. You've been seeing a lot of Escalades out there. This is its pretty much competition from GMC. This is brand new model. Looks amazing, honestly. It's beefed up, drives really well. I'm surprised how responsive the acceleration is on this thing. Came to us in a regular black format with a lot of chrome. We went ahead and wrapped it in satin black, painted this entire huge grille in the front, all the body color trims on the bottom. They were plastic before, we painted in body color. A lot of paint, a lot of wrap went into this thing. This is a little bit more difficult than regular cars, honestly, or even the exotic cars that we're used to, because there's so much surface area. So we also added 24-inch Giovanna wheels. We used to work with Giovanna Wheels a long time ago. Started up our partnership again. They make wheels really fast and never had any problems with them. So 24-inch Pirelli tires. These are beefy tires. They're actually 305s as well, so they're pretty wide. We didn't do 26s or 28s. A lot of people are doing the bigger setups, which fit, but this is gonna be a comfy ride. It's gonna drive great, and it's gonna be very reliable. Ferrari yellow brake calipers also at the end. We're still gonna tint the front window, but everything else is done. Looks incredible. I know you guys are not used to GMCs on our channel, but like I said, we do everything here. We don't always show you everything, but I thought this thing was really cool because it is a brand new model, and I'm a fan of the Denali, so really dope car.
It's nice. For my grandchildren. You know how many grandchildren I have? 4. That's why you see the Chiva, Viva la Chiva, Arriba las Chivas. Sunday, we're gonna play. If you like football, soccer, man, you enjoy it. I love football, soccer. People live in California, they know how cold it is right now over here. So this guy is burning my sweater, start getting fired, you know. I do like, I don't feel it, you know, but it's warm in my back. My partner, they rip my sweater. Man, he say, take one, bro. Whatever. But it's nice. Look at this. Hey, this is crazy. This kind of cars used to be they have the stick over here. But look at this, bro. Look at this. Like the buttons over here. Really nice. This TV is more bigger than what I have in my house. Look at this thing, bro. It's crazy, man. Oh, look at the sunroof. Man, mira, ni sé cómo se abre el sunroof. Jesus. Ay, va. Watch esto. My boy. Look at that. Over here, oh, fit. It's big, yeah. Very big guy. Wow, that's nice. Oh, it's Sarkis, you don't know, but his car doesn't have a sunroof. He see this one, he gonna take this one, he put him on his car.
Hey, idiot, there's trails of fire everywhere. What is that?
Why does that look cool?
Stop. Don't. Ah!
Stop copying me.
Okay.
Oh,
Alright,
no,
guys. So I have my assistant Luis right here, and the guy that doesn't do Sarkis. He's wearing the Ferrari style RDB hoodie. He's wearing the regular white RDB front logo.
I don't have anything in mind.
Whenever this video starts, 24 hours, there's a sale. 50% off our limited edition shirts from 2020. Okay, that shirt is not for sale.
Oh, different. Oh.
2021 limited shirts, 15% off except for current month shirts. Air fresheners, 30% off. Basic collection, which is including these hoodies and some other shirts, 20% off. This is all we have left, so this is probably all gonna go within the sale. We're gonna be making way for our 0 to 60 collection coming in April. We have an April limited shirt coming. 24 hours from the start of this video when it was published, we have a sale.
RDB LA.